Providing a safe and healthy workplace for employees and those who work with your business is a fundamental legal requirement. Corporate social responsibility, or CSR, takes this a step further by looking at how you can provide an excellent place to work in and also balance the needs of your business with the needs of individual employees. Getting things right in this area means that it's easier to recruit and retain employees. There's less absenteeism and employees are more motivated and, as a result, more productive. Your employees are your key asset. If they are dissatisfied or disillusioned, then having the other aspects of CSR in place, such as an excellent community involvement or great environmental credentials, counts for little. And it's not just about rates of pay and job security either. Having interesting and stimulating work, feeling valued as part of the business, and having access to training are other areas that employees rate as important factors influencing job choice. Here are some ways you may consider to get started in this area. First, make sure your employees know the purpose and vision of your business. Next, make sure you understand what their goals and objectives are. Look at how you can work together to balance what they want with your business needs. Look at the skills you need in the business now and in the future. Match these against the skills your employees currently have and those they would like to develop. Use this to develop a staff training and development plan. Consider coaching and mentoring to help employees transfer skills from one to another and enable them to learn from each other. Look at where you work and commit to creating and maintaining a positive and healthy workspace where everyone can be respected and valued. Once the basics are in place, you may consider putting these aspects in writing. This would be over and above the employment policies you are legally obliged to have in place, but a written policy demonstrates a real commitment to carrying out the actions.